Today I will show you how can you increase your accuracy in Rocket League. How not to miss the ball and how to shoot amazing shots. And to do this, the headline of the video is a custom response curve. This is what we will use. And in order for you to use this, you need Steam. And a lot of you guys know Steam, so you can download it through Google and then just create an account. And after that, open Steam. And I will pause the video until it loads up. Okay, so Steam is loaded up. And as you can see here, it's going to be like this. Go to library and then add a game right here, left side. Add a non-Steam game, click on it, and then locate Apex Game Launcher. It's not here because I've already added it. Let's pretend this is it. So you click on the check mark and you click add selected program. And that's pretty much it. You've added it now and click on it. And after this, click on this controller icon right side. After this will be not like this. It will say enable Steam input. You click on enable Steam input. And it's going to be like this. After this, click on edit layout and go to the joystick, to the left joystick behavior. Because we control the car using the left joystick behavior, we click on the settings icon here. And after this, you go down and you see this dead zone, the dead zone source. Make it to no dead zone, because if it's on a different setting, it will actually start affecting your dead zone. But no dead zone uses the raw input of your joystick. So this is good, because this tutorial is not about changing the dead zone. It's about changing the response curve. Now make this no dead zone, and as you can see, everything here on default. This is default. This is default. Let's go up. This is also on default. But this stick response curve, click here and click on custom curve. And after you click on custom curve, it will be on 200. Now, what this slider will do, if you lower this slider by 2% or 5%, it will give you more accuracy. How? It will make your movement slow, but it's not gonna make you really slow that the game becomes unplayable. No, the game will still be playable, but it will give you accuracy. However, if you make this to these values, which is the far side left, it will become very slow. It will become unplayable. So I recommend going value by value from 200 to 199, 198, 197, and experiment. And you can do this on the fly. You can close this and go back to the game. And by the way, important info: when you have to launch Epic Games Launcher through Steam, you click on play like this. Click on play, because if you don't launch it through Steam, you cannot. It will not. These settings that you made to your left stick on your controller, it will not take effect. So after you launch Epic Games, you just go and launch Rocket League. But remember, launch Epic Games through Steam. Now let's go back here. Okay, now I'm gonna pause the video so I can think about what I want to say more. Okay, so I made this painting right here, or not painting, just a sketch, so I can show you what I mean. So in real life, I mean not in real life, in the game, when you're trying to hit a good shot, you need fine adjustment, small adjustment. And when you're trying to do small adjustment, let's pretend you need 3%. You need to make adjustment from here, from this point to this point. But since it's really hard, you always end up doing it even more, so you don't hit that amazing shot. So this setting on Steam, if you lower it, it will actually, even if you miss, even if you just physically, your input is like this, but inside the game it will register like this, because you have a custom response curve. Yeah, so lowering this and finding your value will give you a really good experience of hitting good shots and not missing easy shots or hard shots, and not missing open nets. Yeah, and also it kind of makes you steady. I've noticed this when I use custom response curve. It makes my car steady when I fly. I don't do any accidental like right and left. Yeah, so that's what I recommend, that start by lowering the value really slowly and see what works for you. But be careful. Be careful that you don't fall into this trap. You just keep lowering it, keep lowering it, keep lowering it. This is wrong, because everyone can learn and everyone can be good. But since we are all already good, but we need just a small adjustment. So I recommend that you stay in the 190s range. You don't go below, because over time, when you get good, you will feel that it's just getting slow and it will impede you. It will hinder your progress. So this is, but feel free to experiment. Okay, so people are different. You can experiment, but this is my opinion. Stay on the 190s range, because you only need a very small value to get that small adjustment to hit that ball. To hit that hard ball. You don't need a lot of slowness. But yeah, so I guess this is it. So you can lower this, get some accuracy, go back, play the game, and see how it feels. And sometimes the change you make here you don't notice it inside the game. So you say that it did not work, or it's a placebo effect, or I need to lower it even more. But keep this in mind, or remember this. Remember my words right here. the change you are going to do here in the 190s range, it will be very subtle, very little, unnoticeable. But here's the kicker. You will hit that amazing ball. You will not miss your shots. And you will do really, really good in the game. You will be steady in the air. And your movement will be, in general, better. So, yeah. You might not notice the difference inside the game. You might go back and play and see and say, like, I don't feel any difference. Maybe this is not worth doing, or this is like not working. But trust me, these small values will actually make you better. You might not feel the difference in the gameplay, but you will hit that amazing shot. You will hit. You will not miss shots. And yeah, so this is it. This is all you need to do. It's very simple and very fun to experiment with. You can experiment and see how it feels. Maybe if you are feeling already slow, you can increase this. If you want something extreme, you can increase this. And if you increase this, it will become actually faster. If you're a really good player, you can actually increase it. But if you're struggling to do like this kind of adjustment and you're always doing more, so you need to decrease it. But if you increase this, it will become faster. And this is not good. Okay, for most players, it's not good. If it becomes faster, it will be hard to control. And we want something to be balanced. We want everything to be balanced. And that's why I'm saying stay in the 190s range. You can experiment, but remember, it's always the best for you is to choose a value that it's balanced. You know, in the future, when you are getting good, it's not going to hinder your progress. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. And let me lower this. Yeah, and that's it. I guess there's nothing else to say. And if you have any question, you will be happy to answer.